Hello everyone, welcome to CADD Nest, an educational institution. I am Arshia. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to create barcode in Excel. So barcode are used everywhere, and today we will see how to create standard barcodes which will be recognized by any barcode scanner. So let's begin. A barcode can be generated in Excel in simple and straightforward way, based on a code that contains numbers as well as letter. Let's have a look at how to do it using these three examples. First, make sure that the column containing the codes is formatted as text, which is necessary for correct display of codes beginning with 0. Select code, right click, go to format cells. In format cells, I am using here text. Then give OK. To make sure the data conversion from a code to the barcode runs smoothly, we will need to add brackets to the existing code, but this need to code in special way. Equals to sign, quotation and open bracket, again quotation, ampersand, and then select the code that we are converting to barcode, which means B2, and again ampersand, quotation, close bracket, again quotation, enter. This is our background on which the barcode will be based. Copy the function to the rest of the rows using this right corner. So what's left to do is to change the font in the column barcode to the font ID automation. Copy the rows to the rest of the function using the bottom right corner. Perfect. And here we go with the barcode, simple, quick and easiest way. I hope you like this video. If yes, like and subscribe our channel. And this all for today. In next video, I'll be teaching you some more interesting topic in Excel. Thank you. Bye bye.